Alam mo ba yung tinatawag na set and forget investing strategy? Well, sa video nito, I'm gonna share with you how you can actually automate your dividend investing journey. So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Yupilu here. Now, in my previous video, I mentioned na if you want to become successful dividend investor, kailangan na maging boring, okay? Maging boring yung investment strategy mo. Kung saan, yung goal mo is that consistently, regardless of what's happening in the market, consistent ka nag-i-invest. At the same time, I also mentioned in one of my videos also na the enemies, okay, to become a successful dividend investor is itong dalawang emotions, which is fear tsaka greed. And for us to be able to remove these emotions, okay, so yung goal natin is to systematize yung investment strategy natin. And one way to do this is actually by automating yung investments natin. So the question ko doon is, pwede ba yung i-automate yung investments mo? Well, actually, there's a way pala to automate your investments. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can automate your investment strategy. At the same time, yung tinatawag na set and forget strategy. So yeah, let's get started. So paano ba natin gagawin itong set and forget strategy? Well, good thing, meron ng tinatawag na dividend paying funds. Okay? So instead na ikaw individually, you're gonna choose, magpipick ka ng individual stocks, okay? So there's funds already kung saan pwede silang mga mutual funds or UITF, kung saan may mga fund managers, they will do the investment for you. At the same time, itong mga funds na to, some of these funds actually nagbibigay din ng monthly, let me repeat that, monthly dividends. And in fact, in one of my video, probably I'll put a link lang siguro down in the description, you can check that out, kung saan I shared doon na ito yung mga top dividend-paying funds in the Philippines so far. There's ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund na around 8% dividends per year. There's Manulife Global Multi-Asset Diversified Income Feeder Fund. Haba ng pangalan, no? Around 7%. And Manulife Global Preferred Income Feeder Fund at 6.43%. So, etong percentage na to, this was based on dun sa previous video ko. And most likely ngayon, iba na yung percentages na. But at least, this just shows na here in the Philippines right now, there's mga funds that you can invest in na nagbibigay ng regular dividends. And in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can actually automate investing in these funds on a monthly basis. So basically, it's like set and forget. Okay? Invest lang ng invest. Tapos yung mga dividends, you can also choose to reinvest in these funds. So yeah, let's go. Now, for us to do the set and forget automated investment strategy, okay, what you need is a Dragonfly broker account. Kasi in Dragonfly, you can invest in individual stocks at the same time, pwede ka rin mag-invest in funds. So, basically, just go inside your Dragonfly account and dito makikita mo yung funds. Okay? So, just choose funds, right? So, just choose dito funds and then click mo yung order funds. So, when you click that one, dito mo makikita lahat ng mga funds that you can invest in. Like, yung shinare ko kanina, yung Manulife Global Multi-Asset Diversified Income Fund and other mga funds, okay, that you can invest in. Now, let's say for example, check natin yung Manulife Global Multi-Asset Fund. So, if you wanna buy dito, if you click yung buy, first is, kailangan mo muna mag-answer ng client sustainability assessment. Kasi dito sa assessment na to, they will know ano ba yung risk appetite mo. Meaning, are you a moderate investor? Are you a risk or aggressive investor? Or are you a low-risk investor? So dito malalaman nila ano yung klaseng investor ka. And then they can recommend you certain funds na fit sa risk profile mo. So just simply click yung start and dito makikita mo yung mga questions tulad na how old are you? Ano, if you have financial responsibilities ba or hindi? Or are you near retirement ba? Dito rin makikita mo rin yung number of experience mo investing in the financial markets. Dito naman is anong mga different types of products have you tried investing in? And then, ano ba yung time period? Okay? Kung kailan mo gagamitin or kailan ka ba mag-i-invest? So like less than 1 year, 3 years, or 8 years or above. And then, ano ba yung price fluctuation na comfortable ka? Meaning, if magda-down yung price or yung investments mo to 5%, kaya mo ba yun? If magda-down ba ng more than 25%, okay? Magpa-panic sell ka ba? Or kaya mo ba yun? Okay, so just answer dito. Ano yung comfortable in? And yung ano ba yung goal mo in investing? Is it capital preservation? Is it income? Or is it growth? Okay, so just check this one. Now, once you check all of this, okay, may quick confirmation, and once you click yung confirm, ibibigay ni Dragonfly anong klaseng investor ka. Again, low risk, moderate, or aggressive. And shockingly, yung binigay sa akin is moderate investor ako. Which, personally, I'm more of like, I'm comfortable being aggressive pero yung binigay niya sa akin is moderate investor. But anyway, once okay ka na dito sa assessment, pwede ka na mag-invest. You can now start investing in funds. So, ngayon, okay na yung assessment mo. So, you just go back to your Dragonfly dashboard and again, punta ka ulit sa funds. And ngayon, pwede ka na mag-order funds. So, just click itong order funds, okay? And then, again, dito mo makikita lahat, all the mga mutual funds or mga funds that you can invest in. And if you notice dito, meron ditong simple button called match for you. Kapag i-click mo yan, dito makikita mo, ito yung mga recommended nila na mga funds based dun sa risk profile mo. So again, kanina, there are 32 funds, lahat. Okay, that's all the funds. Pero if you click mo yung match for you based on your risk profile, they just recommend, as of my case, 9 yung recommended nila para sa akin. However, the funds that I'm investing is medyo aggressive siya eh. So, i-ignore natin yan. Okay, i-ignore natin yan. But, ideally, kung ano yung profile mo, dun din yung pipiliin mo. Kasi, again, these are recommended funds based on your risk appetite. So, again, yung gusto kong investan is yung Manulife Global Multi-Asset Diversified Income Feeder Fund. Okay? So, I just click yung option na yun, then click yung buy. Once you click yung buy, dito makikita mo na merong single order or auto invest. So again, we wanna do set and forget, meaning automated yung pag-invest natin. So we're gonna choose yung auto invest. And then dito, i-input mo lang ano yung mga kailangan na details. So let's say for example, yung nilagay ko dito, order date is March 25. Okay? And then yung initial investment is 1,000 pesos. So yung goal ko, every single month, mag-add tayo ng 1,000 pesos dito. So again, this is for experiment purposes only para makita natin if effective ba yung auto-invest. Okay? Set and forget strategy. And then recurring amount, every single month, mag-i-invest tayo ng additional 1,000 pesos. So makikita mo dito, monthly, may monthly. And then next investment will be April 27, 2026. And then dito din makikita mo din yung number of units na marireceive mo and yung price per unit na marireceive mo. So, if i-compare natin to with the stock market, this is yung price per share. Okay? And then, yung, indicative units is the number of units, the number of shares that you'll be able to buy. So, parang ganun lang din siya. So, instead of shares yung marireceive mo sa funds, units yung marireceive mo. So, once you click that one, okay? So, dito, So, dito, before ko nag-confirm, sabi dito may warning. Okay? Yung profile ko is moderate daw, pero I'm investing na higher risk, okay, na funds. Okay? So, I'm personally aware in terms of these different kinds of investments. So, I'm just gonna click proceed with order. Pero if ikaw, make sure talaga na you are really well aware, you are financially educated before investing into these kinds of funds. But, yeah, I'm just showing you how automated investing paano ba ginagawa to. So, I'll proceed with order and dito may confirmation and once confirmed, your buy order is now being processed. So, dito makikita mo, in Dragonfly, you can invest in stocks, in funds, and dito makikita mo na meron na tayong automated investment on a monthly basis. So, ngayon, na-set up na natin yung automated investments natin in Dragonfly. Pero, syempre, yung broker account natin need yan ng funds, di ba? So, if you set yung automated buy mo pero walang funds yung broker account mo, hindi din ma-execute. Kaya yung gagawin din natin is that mag-set din tayo ng bills payment, okay, automated from our bank account papunta dun sa Dragonfly account natin. So you can do this, let's say for example may payroll account ka, okay, tapos may monthly na sweldo na papasok, you can automate this papunta dun sa broker account mo, which is yung Dragonfly. So, as of my case, ito example, so yung source of income ko, actually, hindi siya pumapasok dito, pero yung nakita ko kasi na mayroong bills payment option is BPI. Okay? So, I have a BPI account and isi-set up natin na yung BPI account ko, mabi-bills payment siya on a monthly basis papunta dun sa Dragonfly account. And since yung Dragonfly account natin nakaset up na mag-automated invest din siya, then basically, automated na yung pag-invest mo. So, in my case, for BPI, punta ka lang sa dashboard mo and punta ka dito sa may Move Money and click mo tong merong small dito na notebook yan yung manage yung favorites. Okay? Manage favorites. And dito, mag-a-add tayo ng new favorite. Mag-a-add tayo ng biller. Alright? Mag-a-add tayo ng biller. And then, dito, pwede natin input billers, Dragonfly. And then, dito mo ilalagay yung reference number mo. Ito yung account number mo in Dragonfly. Kasi, dun nila makikita saan ba nila ipapasok yung deposit mo. So, for us to get yung reference number, okay, balik tayo dun sa Dragonfly account natin. So, this is the Dragonfly dashboard. Click mo lang itong menu, okay, dito sa baba. Click mo yung menu na yan. And then, makikita mo yung client code tsaka account code. Alright? So, what you're gonna choose is yung account code. You copy that one, yung account code. Copy that one. Okay? And then, yan yung ipipaste mo dun sa reference number mo sa bills payment options. If I'm not mistaken, yung my bills payment options as of now is BPI and Union Bank. Okay? So, as of now, sila yung my bills payment options. And then, once ma-add mo yun as favorites, ayun, na-add mo na. You can now pay bills. Okay? Automated yung pag-pay bills mo. So, how you can do that? Just pay bill. Okay? Click mo yung pay bill. And then, destination account, Dragonfly. Add dito yung amount 1,000. So, yung goal ko, 1,000 pesos, ma-add dun sa broker account ko on a monthly basis. Frequency is monthly. Okay? And start date is April 15. Okay? April 15. So, kasi this March 25, nag-initial deposit na tayo. Okay? Yung next investment niya is April 27. So, if you notice, meron siyang gap na papasok sa broker account ko at 15. Okay? At 15, mai-invest siya on 25th or 27. So, depending on 30 days ba yung month or what. Basta monthly yung pag-i-invest. So, para at least may difference in case na walang funds, okay, yung bank natin, pwede pa natin i-fund before ma-execute yung investment natin on the 25th or on the 27th. So, ganun yung strategy na ginawa ko dito. And number of payments is 9. So, 9 times. So, yung goal ko is at the end of this year, ito check natin at the end of the year if effective ba yung set and forget strategy. So, right now it's already March. So, there's 9 months more to go before 2026 ends. So, yun, kaya 9 yung nilagay natin dito. Click continue. Syempre, confirm the details and boom, naka-schedule na yung automated payments natin. So again, here's how our set and forget strategy works. So may income ka from your business or from your payroll, tapos from your bank account, okay, naka-bills payment siya pupunta dun sa broker account mo. Dun sa broker account mo, which is Dragonfly, naka-automated investment na siya on a monthly basis. So, basically, set and forget. And since it is invested in funds, hindi ka na mamomblema kasi you don't have to choose individually ano yung mga stocks to buy. So yeah, that is it. That is how you can automate, okay, your dividend investing strategy, set and forget strategy. Okay? Tapos i-check natin by the end of 2026, effective ba talaga to? Tapos i-compare natin to, okay, with investing, okay, in individual stocks. Co-compare natin yan. Let this be an experiment and then compare natin by the end of the year. So, if you wanna know yung results niyan, make sure you stay subscribed dito sa channel. Anyway, if you're interested, ano ba yung mga top mutual funds, okay, in the Philippines right now? So, you can check out this next video kung saan dito I shared yung top mutual funds in the Philippines for the year 2026. So, yeah, go ahead and check out this next video and I'll see you there.